This video is going to show you how to use classroom mode for Minecraft Education Edition. This is pretty awesome because you can access a lot of different features during a multiplayer game and you have lots of controls in a separate window outside of the world. To get MinecraftEDU classroom mode, you're first going to go to the MinecraftEDU website, then you're going to go to support and the download section. From here, if you already have the downloads, you have them here, but we're going to scroll down a little bit to the bottom here, and then you can see classroom mode available for Windows, Mac. Let's click on the Windows. That's what I'm using currently. And it downloads to wherever you have it automatically downloaded. Mine goes to downloads, but I'm just going to double click on here. And then you get the setup wizard for classroom mode. So let's hit next and finish up. Now I have that all downloaded on my computer, so it's time to set up the classroom mode and start MinecraftEDU. So when you start up Minecraft in the classroom mode, they're going to be on the same screen. This definitely works better if you have two monitors. Typically, I'll put classroom mode on one and Minecraft on the other. So for this example, I'm going to make them small so you can see both at once. So you can see I have Minecraft started here. I can go in. I'm just going to go in and start a world. And then we can go down and I'm going to type in Minecraft and you can see the classroom mode pops up for me. So let's click on that. Now you'll most likely have to sign into your education account. Now the nice thing about the new classroom mode is that it actually gives you the command right away. So before you might have started a server or you would visit something. With this, we actually had this connect code. So you're going to put this in the slash commands in your current world. So I'm just going to hit the copy button on this one. Let's just move this over a little bit. We'll click on our Minecraft, kind of tuck it behind right now, just so you can see both in action. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to click T to get to my slash commands. And then I'm just going to do a control V or paste, and I'm going to paste that in right now. Then I connect, and now you can see I've got classroom mode going on the side here. So you can see why it's kind of a nicer idea to have a bigger screen when you're working on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of move things around. We'll shrink down Minecraft a bit. Now you can kind of see both in operation. So right now it's just me in this world. So let's host this. And then you can see what happens when another student joins. So it's always running in the background. And there you go. You can see the minute another student pops in because it comes over here in the player roster. Now, if I want to figure out where this student is, this is kind of your map and it shows your entire world. I'm going to use the pan and zoom on my mouse and there we go. And I can drag. I can see that that student's right there. Now, the cool thing is I can do a couple things to get to the student closer to me. If I want to click beside me, watch this. If I do a right click, I can teleport everyone right here. Boom, and now everyone's right there. That student's really close. So the other thing I can do, if I want to move a student to a certain destination, so let's say I want them to go over here, or if I want to move my teacher character, I can easily click on their name and drag them. You can see I have this dot now, and I can drag them to another location. So let's drop this one right over here. So that's an easy way to teleport people around your world. Maybe they got lost, maybe they don't know where they're going. So you can drag anyone and drop them right in. How cool is that? The other thing is you have the availability of all the entire chat messages. So if you type something in the chat, it's going to go in there. So even if a student types something, you'll see everything right in there, which is really, really nice. So the other thing you can do in here is you also have commands available to you. If I go in and click on the three lines here, you can see I have a couple settings that I can do. So I can change my weather instantly. I can just drag those and turn them off. You have chat available, so you can disable this right in one button click. You can pause the game for everybody. And then, of course, you can do your mobs. You can allow destructive items. You can turn off player damage. You can prohibit world modification. So this is like the immutable world command. And then, of course, no player damage to each other. So this is a really nice mode that can work where you can kind of just monitor where everyone's at in your world. Maybe you have a really large world where you're building certain structures and you can teleport people back and forth, drop them off. It's really just a great little feature you can use to kind of negotiate your world a little better rather than just always having to type a command in Minecraft to teleport people in, to chat, all those things. So that's how classroom mode works with Minecraft EDU.